In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix billing problem with previous purchase on App Store iPhone. If you can't download apps because the App Store keeps flagging a billing issue from an earlier purchase, follow along carefully and we'll clear it up. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top, then choose Payment and Shipping. If you're asked to sign in with your Apple ID, go ahead and do that. This section controls the payment sources Apple uses for the App Store and subscriptions, so any mismatch or expired detail here can trigger that error. Now review the payment methods you see and remove anything you don't actively use. Tap a payment method, choose Remove Payment Method, and repeat for old or expired cards. Keeping outdated cards on file can cause billing verification to fail, even when a valid card is also listed. Next, make sure your active card is completely up to date. Check the card number, the expiration date, and your billing address. The address should match exactly what your bank has on file, including abbreviations and postal code. If the issue continues, tap Add Payment Method, add a different card, and save. Sometimes banks decline small verification holds, so trying another card can get you unblocked faster. If you use family sharing, go back to your Apple ID page in Settings and tap Family Sharing, then Purchase Sharing. Look at the shared payment method at the top. Purchases made by family members are charged to this card, so ensure the details are correct and there are sufficient funds. If needed, you can temporarily stop purchase sharing, try your purchase again, and turn it back on afterward. Next, check for unpaid subscriptions. From Settings, under your Apple ID, tap Media and Purchases, then View Account, and choose Subscriptions. Look for failed payments or outstanding balances and resolve anything listed. Clearing those balances often releases the billing hold immediately. While you're still in View Account, tap Country/Region and confirm it matches your current location. If it doesn't, update it. A mismatch between your region, your card's issuing country, and the store you're using can block billing verification. Finally, open the App Store and try downloading or purchasing the app again. In most cases, declined cards, unpaid subscriptions, or family sharing payment issues are the cause, and completing these steps fixes the problem. That's it for this tutorial. If it helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.